Want to collect payments faster and make your sales process seamless? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a payment link in HubSpot, step by step, using the latest 2025 features. Whether you're selling products, services, or subscriptions, this guide will help you set it up in minutes. So stick with me till the end. Access the Payments tool. First, log into your HubSpot account and go to your main dashboard. From the top navigation bar, click on Sales and then select Payments. If this is your first time using HubSpot Payments, you may need to enable it by going through a quick setup process. Just follow the prompts to connect your bank account and complete the verification. This is essential before creating any payment link. Create a new payment link. Once your Payments tool is ready, click on Create Payment Link. A setup window will appear where you can start configuring your link. Here, give your payment link a clear name so you can easily identify it later, something like Website Consultation Fee or Product XYZ Order. Add product or service details. Now add the product or service you want to collect payment for. You can choose an existing product from your catalog or create a new one on the spot. Enter the price, currency, quantity, and any recurring payment settings if it's a subscription. HubSpot also allows you to add descriptions and images to make your link more professional. Set payment options. Next, choose the payment methods you want to accept: credit/debit cards, ACH bank transfers, or both, depending on what's available in your region. You can also decide whether to allow partial payments or require full payment upfront. Review and publish. After configuring your payment link, click Review. Double-check the product details, payment methods, and confirmation settings. Once you're satisfied, hit Create Link. HubSpot will generate a unique payment URL that you can share via email, embed in your website, or send directly through HubSpot CRM workflows. Test your link. Before sharing it with your customers, always test the link. Open it in an incognito window, go through the payment flow, and make sure everything looks good. This ensures a smooth experience for your clients. And that's it. You've successfully created a payment link in HubSpot. Now you can collect payments faster and manage transactions directly within your CRM. No third-party tools needed. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick HubSpot tips, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next.